Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry. Cześć Piotrze, na A3 się melduje.
A train driver conducts and maintains a traction vehicle in a proper technical condition which they're responsible for regularly or during their working time. They drive trains and perform all service tasks in accordance with current regulations in train transportation law, instructions, and all documents necessary to conduct the train. A train driver's job is concerned with conducting the vehicle and safe delivery of cargo and passengers. Moreover, they're responsible for the technical maintenance of the traction vehicle and its proper linking to the train as a whole. They're required to follow the health and safety regulations and take due care of the technical condition of the train. A train driver starts to work after reporting to the train dispatcher, then starts and checks the technical condition of the assigned train and prepares the vehicle to embark on the track. They're responsible for the proper linking of the traction vehicle with the train composition. They also check the braking system, radio communication equipment, and other devices on the train.
Jeszcze nie, jeszcze 3 osoby.
While driving the train, they must obey the rules and schedule, maintaining an appropriate speed.
Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry.
In the course of their work, the train driver cooperates with the train manager, the traffic officer, and the train dispatcher. The future train driver should be physically fit and resistant to fatigue, perceptive, and must be able to react quickly and divide their attention span. The work requires being away from home while often working 12-hour shifts. To become a train driver, one must have at least a diploma in vocational education and a train driver's license, be at least 21 years old and exceptionally healthy.